confident in every aspect and is capable of doing everything equally. Also, we should respect each of them not because of gender but for their own identity. Furthermore, we have to accept that both women and men contribute equally to the betterment of the home and society. So here I wish you all a very happy International Women's Day. Good morning, respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers and my dear parents. I welcome you all to the class assembly of Standard 6th B. God speaks in the silence of heart. Listening is the beginning of prayer. So I would like to call my classmates for the prayer song.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आती आतो करो उसका खैर मकदम, आती है आती आतो करो उसका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे चुना है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निकलता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निकलता, दुर्गम को पार करके किनारे कोई चढ़ा है। लाएंगे रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारे एक दिन, लाएंगे रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारे एक दिन, होगा विशाल तलवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है, होगा विशाल तलवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
Now I would like to invite Father Principal for the prayer.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
So now I would like to call my friends for singing the school anthem.
Of childhood, scenes of a youth, scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth. The school we love and cherish here, the school we love and cherish here, preparing us for life of bliss, preparing us for life of bliss. St. Xavier's forever we will cheer, St. Xavier's
indignation by the bricks thrown at her. With this, I would like to call Thakapriya to give a speech on women.
Good morning to each and everyone. Today, as we know, we are going to celebrate Women's Day. I would only like to speak on women. Woman is one who brings life. Every woman is extraordinary, no matter where she works, whether it's home or office. They are making difference to the world around her. And most importantly, they play a vital role in upbringing of children and making a film. Our responsibility is to honor and appreciate women. They are bringing success in our life and all around her. We are going towards an exhilarating time in history where the world accepts gender balance. Now, the world is noticing the absence and celebrating the presence. Moreover, society is better when the women are given equal respect and are not taken granted. Women today have been realizing their abilities, strength, and contributing to the success of their home and society. In addition, they are entering in every field and are making success in all of them by proving what they are capable of. To conclude, it feels nice to have a day to celebrate a International Women's Day. Let's recognize the significance of the women for their family, home and society. Thank you.
So now I would like to call Thawani Prathna to give a speech on women achievements who was first in the field.
A woman is one of the most beautiful phenomena in the world, not to be compared with anything else. She is a masterpiece of God. With this beautiful quote, I, Prathna Tulsi Thawani, your standard 6B, is going to say few lines on this beautiful topic, that is Women's Day. United Nations announced the theme of International Women's Day, that is on 8th March. It is celebrated every year. The theme Women's Day celebrated tremendous efforts by all the women and the girls all over the world in making a more equal future. Women hold the reins in many largest banks of India and serve the financial service in many companies. The best example is Arundhati Bhattacharya. She is a chairperson of State Bank of India. She is the first person to hold this position. And she is also named in 25 most powerful women in world, which is by Fortune in 2016. As Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was the first woman who get the Nobel Peace Prize in our India. She got this prize in 1979. She found the Roman Catholic Missionaries in Charity and also a religious congregation in 1950. She manages the home for people who are dying from the many diseases. She is also called the Women of Peace and Charity. As Mother Teresa, there are many women who contribute towards India like Mary Kom. She is an Indian boxer, a politician and a member of parliament in Rajya Sabha. She also ranked the world number first, the light flyweight fight of women's, which is by AIBA. And Deepika Kumari. Deepika Kumari is one of the best women Indian archer in our country. She ranked the world number 9 in International Women's Archery Competition. She also gets the gold medal in Commonwealth Games of Archery. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Now I invite Kiri Bhavya to give a speech on Christina H. Coach.
Good morning to respected father, principal, sisters, teachers and all my dear parents. Today I am going to speak about a lady who has spent the longest period of time in space, and the woman is Christina M. Koch. She is an American engineer of the class 2013. She completed astronaut candidate training in 2015 and she was assigned at her first space flight in 2018. A long duration mission on the International Space Station, she spent 328 days in space, the longest single space flight by a woman. NASA astronaut Christina Koch's historic tour aboard the International Space Station came to a triumphant end on Thursday, when the spacecraft carrying her and her two colleagues touched down on Earth at Kazakhstan in 2019 at 4:12 a.m. Eastern Time. Thus she spent her precious 328 days of her life in space and achieved the goal. And we all feel proud about her and her success. Thank you.
The National Pledge is an oath of allegiance to the Republic of India. So now I would request my class teacher Sharon Jinto ma'am to come for pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people, and my happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity.
We the students of class 6B wishing you a very happy Women's Day.
Patriotic movement that spends 90 seconds of our time where differences dissolve and agendas align as we stand together and our voice unite as one. So now I would like to request you all to stand together and sing our national anthem. Thank you.